Hi guys, it's Riya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ एंगेज स्पिरिट्स के डिओड्रेंट्स का रिव्यू लेकर आई हूँ. नाउ आई हैव 4 of their deodorants. So these two are men deodorants from the Engage Spirit series and these two are the women fragrances from the Engage Spirit series. You get 150 ml of this deodorant and it is priced for only 130 rupees. It's crazy. I find these to be super inexpensive, and once I explain you how these are worth every penny is what I can say. So let's begin with this one. Now this particular one is the Engage Spirit Sensual Garden and they say that this one is a floral and woody fragrance. First of all, let's appreciate the packaging. It has a very gorgeous dark red rose made here. All the details are there on the bottle, what you need to know, ingredients, how to use it, marketing, pricing, everything is right mentioned here. And then when you open this is how the atomizer is. Now the sprayer will give the product like this, a very smooth mist, I'll say. And this one is very gorgeous. If you are a rose lover, you are going to love this. This has this freshness of bergamot and some zestiness in the opening. Has a very beautiful red gothic dark rose, hints of woodiness and patchouli, and some hints of sweetness. I really appreciate how sensual this fragrance is. Like when you use it, it just feels so refreshing, and in the other hand it also feels so sexy. You know, this is the kind of fragrance which is very mysterious and dark and sexy and addictive. It just has all of those qualities in it. I really enjoy this kind of a scent profile which has a gothic feel to it and which has a mysterious vibe to it. So this one is the floral and woods, mature, beautiful, gorgeous, very seductive, and I know what I'm doing kind of the fragrance profile. So I really like this one. That's the first one in the women series. Next one is a more fruitier, a more lively kind of a scent, and this one is Blissful Berries. Such a cutesy packaging, like they have made those berries on top so cute. Like it has an abundance of strawberries, a gorgeous vibrant purple bottle. Again, all the details mentioned right here. Packaging is super cutesy, you guys. Then this fragrance. Now this one is your fruit dominating fragrance. Of course, berries taking the front foot. You know, this just has a lot of, I feel that this has blackberry, mulberry, blueberry and strawberry. Like I'm getting all of these, but strawberry is more prominent than all the others. It does have a hint of creamy quality to it in the background. So it does kind of give me a vanillic fruity milkshake appearance. It's super fresh, super lively, super good start of the day. So out of the two, I can basically tell you that this is more daytime appropriate, this is more evening time appropriate, but I am someone who will use both of these all year around. But if you're very particular about it, this has more freshness, more appropriate for daytime, and this is like more gothic. This one has slightly playful feel to it and this has more serious feel to it. So these are the two things that I can tell you. And this one is nice, playful, cheerful, good start of the day, happy vibes. It's more of a deodorant that tells you that life is simple, nothing is complicated, and whatever comes your way, you are just going to be dealing it with calmness. So this is that kind of a deodorant, a nice, joyful, fruity blast, and overall a good performer. Let's talk about the performance on these two. So they give me easy 5 to 6 hours on my skin. On my clothes, they last a little longer for around 8 hours. For the price, for the scent profile, I think it's a steal deal. My rating for these two is 10 out of 10. Now let's talk about the deodorants from the men series, and this one is Engage Spirit Fresh Woods. This is said to be citrusy and woody. So before I share the scent profile, just take a look on the packaging. It has a very nice leafy texture to it, nice shades of green going all around the bottle. And let me just spray this. The atomizer is black in color on this one. Yeah, this one is a freshie. It's fresh, It's aromatic, it's woody. It has hints of green leafiness, some moss, some water, some marine aquatic feel, some spiciness, woodiness, hints of lavender. It has a lot going on. Very unique. This will go with all the freshies. Like, this will layer so well with all of your freshy perfumes. This is such a good fragrance for the start of the day again, and I think this is unisex. Like, I love wearing this one as much as I would love a man to wear this. I enjoy this one a lot. The kick of spiciness in this is very, very subtle and very, very calculated. Like, I don't feel that the spices are rubbing around my nose. No, 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 no. Balanced. It's very balanced. I like how fresh, how aromatic, how present this fragrance is. It is mature. It's perfect for office. It's perfect for everyday chores. And this is something which is an all year around daytime wear kind of a deodorant. Next is this one, which is super duper unique. This is Smoky Oud, and right from the name, this is an incensey, smoky, woody, oudy fragrance, which is so present. It is so loud. It is so dominating. It is sexy. It is the kind of fragrance that just exudes masculine energy. This feels like a strong man who has like broad shoulders, and he's just going to enwrap you in his arms and never let you go. That kind of personality is what this perfume kind of gives an impression about. This is, again, this is dark, this is seductive, this is mysterious, this is mature. And this guy who wears this, he knows his business. He knows what he's doing. He knows what he wants from his life, and he's like very, focused, and he's like very loving. He's very nurturing. He's also very manly. He's just a perfect man. So this is that perfume for me. Again, this combination, I think this one is a good daytime wear, and this one is a perfect evening and nighttime wear. These two deodorants, if you have, you are literally sorted from day to night. And similarly, this one, if you have these two, if you're a woman, you are sorted day to night with these two. I find this packages of two perfumes in man and women category to be very cohesive, because just having these four and you're sorted. You have a freshie, you have a oudy and a woody fragrance, you have a fruity fragrance, and you have a floral. What else do you need? Talking about the performance on these two, both of them again give me around 6 to 7 hours of longevity. Little slightly more stronger than the women deodorants for sure. And of course the projection is around 1 to 2 hours. I absolutely love the wisp that I get from these deodorants. On my skin, the performance is around 6-7 hours. On my clothes, it is around 8 to 9 hours. These deodorants to me kind of perform close to an eau de toilette. I'll say, like, they have the performance of an eau de toilette. So that's a good thing, because you are paying literally so less. These are so inexpensive for the kind of performance that you're getting. And that's why I like Engage perfumes, Engage perfumes, fragrances in general, they are very good in quality, and they just suit the Indian weather. The pricing is good, the performance is good, and they suit the Indian weather. So for me, I think these 4 deodorants are a hit. My rating is 10 out of 10. There is nothing that I'm disappointed about. Alright, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye!